Gratitude builds legacy. Sa leadership, madalas puro strategy, puro performance, puro results ang usapan. Pero minsan, nakakalimutan natin ang isa sa pinakamalakas ng driver ng mga tao, gratitude. Hindi ito soft skill, hindi rin ito patwitams or pa-cute. Gratitude is a leadership competency. Kapag marunong kang magpasalamat, nagbabago ang energy ng team. You're saying, I see you, I value you, your work matters. Sa bilis ng trabaho, people get tired, overwhelmed, at minsan, nagdududa sa sarili nila. Pero isang thank you mula sa leader, nagbibigay ng clarity, motivation, at purpose. Gratitude becomes fuel, direction, and connection. Totoo, people don't leave companies. They leave leaders. They leave their bosses na hindi nagpaparamdam ng value nila. Pero leaders who practice gratitude, they build safe spaces, engage teams, and thriving cultures. Ang tunay na leader, hindi lang nag-instruct, nagpapasalamat. At kapag gratitude ang rhythm ng leadership mo, hindi lang team ang nabubuo, legacy ang naiiwan.